understand this. Of course, we are the biggest. We control the biggest fleet, and it's basically two. Greece has two fleets. The one that works inside Greece, which is small, and that's the passenger ships and all the other things, and the international cargo fleet, which is about 3,800, 3,900 ships. Those ships are not all with the Greek flag. The Greek flag is about 22% of the fleet. All the others are with other European flags or international flags. The Greek fleet, the Greek-controlled fleet, ocean-going fleet, brings into the country between 13 and 19 billion euros per year, depending on market conditions, and this creates between 200 and 300,000 jobs in Greece, of which only about 15 to 20,000 are on board the ships, about 15,000 are in the offices, in the shipping offices, and the rest are all these supporting people for all this project. Today I read that the passenger ship fleet, and this represents about 7 to 8% of Greek GDP. Today I read a study that was presented yesterday with regard to the passenger ship fleet, and the passenger ship fleet, which is only about 100 ships, about 55 big ones and maybe another so many or maybe more smaller ones. That fleet also creates about 20,000, 25,000 jobs directly in Greece, but because of the services that it does to the islands, because we have about 1,600,000 people out of a population of about 11 million that live on islands. So the passenger fleet is very, very important in order for them to, for tourism and communications, etc. And according to the study, about 8%, that fleet also directly and indirectly contributes about 8% to Greek GDP per year. I believe that Greek, the development of Greece into a hub for shipping and transport will create opportunities, and not, of course, for the Greek economy, but for other people that want to be part of this whole logistical and turnover, shipping turnover that this country can create. We look forward to trying to be another London and equally hospitable, and we think that we have the added advantage of having all these wonderful islands and a good climate, which I think we can become a playground as well as a hub. The Greek culture and the culture of the Middle East grew roughly at about the same time. I mean, the Phoenicians apparently had something to do with the Cretan civilization, and we have traded together for thousands of years.
Yes.
Maybe some people from the Middle East sometimes tried to conquer Greece, and then sometimes the people, Alexander the Great, tried to do the other thing. So, you know, we have exchanges of various sorts, but we have learned over the years to live with each other. And I think that these synergies are things that can make us, have made us good neighbors over the past, and I hope will continue to making us good neighbors in the future and doing good business together.